Hello students, exercise 12.1, identify terms and factors, show terms and factors by tree diagram. Already the introduction of algebraic expression video link I have given in the description. You can click and check. In that I have discussed about what is meant by term, what is meant by factors. So we are going to solve the problem based on that. The first problem is they have given the expression as x minus 3. So I want to find out the terms and factors by using a tree diagram. So let me write the expression first, x minus 3. So what are the terms of x minus 3? It is nothing but x, this term, and next is the minus 3. So these are said to be the terms. Next, 1 plus x plus x square. So first write the expression as it is, 1 plus x square. Next, split it. So 1, next term is x and next term is x square. This is the terms. From this I am going to split the factors. It is x square. Means I can split this into x into x. X into x is said to be x square. So these are the factors. As for this also I can split into 1 into x. 1 into x is x. Okay, these are said to be the factors. These are said to be, first row is said to be terms, and after that what I am splitting is said to be the factors. Same here also I can split into 1 into x. The splitting into 1 into x also no problem, or else x also no problem. Okay. Next is y minus y cube. So let me write y minus y cube as it is. From that I have to write the terms first, y minus y cube. Next I have to find out the factors. So y cube can be written as y cube means 3 times of y, that is y. So y gives the y cube, and remaining I am having minus. So minus can be written as minus 1. So minus 1 into y into y into y. It gives minus 1 y cube. That is minus y cube. So if there is no coefficient, infinite coefficient of y, you can consider it as 1 also. If there is no value, if it is given as 2 means the coefficient of y cube is 2, or else if no value is given you can make it as 1. Next problem. So 5xy square plus 7x square y. The first step you have to write the terms. 5xy square, 7x square y. Next, the next step I have to write the factors of this. So I can split this into 5. So from this I am writing splitting 5. Next x term. Next y square can be split as y into y. So 5 into x into y gives the 5xy square. Same like this I can split this. First I am writing the 7. Next x square can be split as x into x. And remaining I am having the y term. So 7x square y. Next minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. So first step, separate the terms. So written as minus ab 2b square minus 3a square. Next step I have to write the factors of this. So you can put it as a, b and minus 1. Here I am having minus. So I am writing it as minus 1 into a into b. Next 2, b square can be written as b and b. Same like this. So 3 can be written as So in this I am having coefficient of a square is minus 3. Minus 3 term is there. So I can write minus 3 as it is. A square can be written as a into b. This is the way to identify the terms and factors. Next they have given us identify the second part. Same problem, second part. Identify terms and factors in the expression. So they have given the expression. I have to identify the terms and factors from the given expression. So minus 4x plus 5. What are the terms for this expression? It is minus 4x and 5. So first you have to write minus 4x. And the next is 5. Next I want to write the factors of this. So what are the factors of minus 4x? Minus 4, x. As we did in the tree problem, same like that. So 5 can be written as 5x. Next become minus 4x plus 5y. Terms, these are the two terms, that is minus 4x, 5y. And factors minus 4, x, 5, y. These are the factors. Next, 5y plus 3y square. 5y first term, second term 3y square. From this I want to write the factors. So 5y can be written as 5, y. 3y square can be written as 3. Y square can be written as y, y. Next xy plus 2x square, y square. So the terms are, these are the two terms. First term is xy term. Next is 2x square, y square. So xy can be written as x, y. These are the factors of the term xy. Next 2x square, y square can be written as 2 can be written as it is. X square can be written as x, x. Y square can be written as y, Next E part, PQ plus Q. So these are the two terms. First write PQ, next Q. So PQ can be written as the factors of PQ is P, Q. And next I am having only the two terms. So write Q as. Next 1.2 AB minus 2.4B plus 3.6A. So I am having three factors here. That is 1.2 AB minus 2.4B, 3.6B. These are the three terms I am having. From this I want to write the factors. So 1.2 AB can be written as 1.2, A, B. So just keeping this term. Minus 2.4B can be written as minus 2.4, 3.6A can be written as 3.6, E. Next G problem, 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. So this is the first term and this is the second. So 3 by 4x, 1 by 4. So the factors of this term is 3 by 4, x, 1 by 4. So this is the way to split up the terms and factors from the given expression. If you like this video, click on the like button. Subscribe my channel eMath tutorial, share my videos. Thank you.